How to search a website by keywords on an iPhone. You want to find something on a web page that has a lot of data and text. All that is not enough, but you have to find it urgently. If you ever had this problem, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can achieve it in a fast and efficient way. We will open a page on our Safari browser. As you can see, this page has a lot of text. To search for something on this page, we will simply tap on the field to enter the URL address. At this moment, it will seem that you have left the site, but that is not the case. Now type the tick word you want. I will type the word guitar. Options will appear to search for this term on the internet. However, at the bottom of this list you will find the find option with the word we typed. We will tap on this option. As you can see, the keyword will be found in all places on the page. You can also jump from one to another on these arrows. Or if you want to search for another word, just type that word in the field. And that is that. In this way, you can quickly and efficiently search the page and find terms that interest you on it. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.